I'm Hannah. I'm an undergraduate student studying at Queen's College. I study biology and I have just finished my second year. I'm going to show you how to hunt for water bears. Water bears, or as they are more scientifically known, tardigrades, are a phylum of small aquatic invertebrates. They're found in all sorts of places, so some really extreme habitats such as deep sea hydrothermal vents and volcanoes, as well as probably your back garden pond. They are extremophiles, which is what they're best known for, and they're second best known for their charismatic appearance. So their name, tardigrada, in ancient Greek, roughly translates to slow walker for their small stumpy legs, which they move around on. They're also known as moss piglets, and as you can see here, this is pretty obvious why. Moss is actually probably the best place for you to find a water bear because it provides a dense source of nutrients, not only from the moss itself, but also from the small invertebrates which the water bears like to feed on. If you want to see some tardigrades for yourself, step number 1, collect some moss. And the best place to get moss is your rooftop. Next, you need to soak your moss with some rainwater and then leave it to stand for at least 8 hours. It is best to leave overnight here. Okay, so the moss has been soaking overnight and the tardigrades should now be ready to be seen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a pipette and I'm going to take a little bit of the water which has lots of moss debris in it, and I'm going to add a drop of it to the microscope slide. At this point you might want to add a cover slip if you have one, but as we don't, we're going without. And then you put your slide under the microscope. Moss is usually full of tardigrades, so it shouldn't take long before you see one of the creatures, and there should also be many in your pond as well.